Great software engineers aren't defined by the code they write, they're defined by the problems they solve. Yeah, so my name is Okumu. I am 4 years experience in mentorship and also 3 years experience as a full stack developer. So my role here is to nurture tech enthusiasts, those who have zero knowledge in coding, to having something that they can show as a skill in building tech. It requires a lot of practice. It's not a one-day journey. You really need to have a lot of grit and passion to whatever you are doing for you to become a great software engineer. The fact that Moringa has mentors, as whenever you're learning a new technology, you need someone who coaches you, someone who really have known what you don't know. When you talk about online learning as a solo person, sometimes you'll get errors that you don't understand. Maybe there are some points that have been missed from or not captured in the documentation or on the online platform that you are learning. But with Moringa, the availability of mentors support 24/7 helps you to understanding more concepts that maybe you might have missed. Most of our learners join when they are zero, when they are totally green in this field of software engineering. But when they graduate, most of them are taken by, we have employee partnerships. So a lot of my mentorships, for example, last cohort, 10 of them were taken. And that's a good progress that I've noticed recently. Yeah, so number one is about doing practice. So the content itself is practice based. You don't just learn theory, you have to do it, you have to write code, you have to debug. And also all of this cannot happen when we don't have a positive environment. So what I try to aim is to create positive environment for my mentees. If you get an error, you have a positive feedback. You have written a bad code, I guide you on how to write the correct code. So that's it. Yeah, everyone starts from somewhere and you cannot start as a pro. So in case you're really passionate in software engineering, this is the start. Come, try your luck, and we'll get you into being the best of the best. Great software engineers aren't defined by the code they write, they're defined by the problems they solve. Build the skills, mindset, and confidence to shape tomorrow's technology with Moringa School.